Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to create Dubizzle account. So first of all, we're gonna enter Dubizzle account, Dubizzle app, and we're gonna just get started with it. So we're gonna start continuing, and if you want to sign in or sign up with your account, you can always create a new one, and we're gonna enter our name, email, right here. Okay, and after we enter our email, we're gonna enter our password. All right, and we're gonna use a strong password, and we're gonna sign up. And I've got an email to my email right here. So we're gonna check for an email in our Gmail. Okay, and then you're gonna see right here, you're almost here. We're gonna verify our account, and then we're gonna just enter and confirm that this is our account. And after we confirm it, you can always go back to the email to the app and start continue with an email, and we're gonna enter our account and we're gonna start login to our account. So we're gonna get verified. If you want to get verified, I will leave it later as we continue. This is an example account. So as you can see right here, I've already signed up with my account, and you're gonna see right here the interface of the app. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.